Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a new toothpaste that I'm using. It's called Eco-dent EXTRABRITE baking soda tooth powder, and it says it's 2 ounces, and I'm going to compare the weights between Sensodyne, which says it's 0.8 ounces, and Crest, which says it's 0.85 ounces. But when you add in the packaging, it weighs more. So the weight of the Eco-dent is 2.6 ounces, and the Sensodyne and Crest are both 1 ounce. These are travel sizes. So if you want to compare, this fits in my hand, this one fits in my hand, and the Eco-dent fits in my hand. Now, I've been using this Eco-dent for quite a while, at least a month, and you only use about just a few drops of the powder on your toothbrush, where the Sensodyne and the Crest, you have to smear that onto your toothbrush. It takes a little bit more, and the length of time between when you have to replace the travel size Sensodyne or the travel size Crest, this won't last you that long on the trail, maybe a month. The Eco-dent, they say, will last months with an S, and like I say, I've been using it for a month and it still feels pretty much full. The Eco-dent comes with a snap-on lid. You can kind of see it there, and the only complaint that I have is that it does take a lot of pressure to open it and to shut it. I'll show you what I'm talking about now. All I'm going to show you here is opening and closing the Eco-dent. So to open it, what I found is there's a little ridge right there, and you just put your fingernail under it and then kind of put your fingernail against the side and open it like that. And there's just a small hole, and all I do is tip it over. I don't even squeeze it. Just tip it over and some of the powder comes onto your toothbrush. Then just move it a little bit more, turn it over again, a little bit more powder goes on your toothbrush, and then close it. And here's what I mean about the closing. So when you close it, you got to press really hard. There. My experience in using the Eco-dent EXTRABRITE Dazzling Mint baking soda toothpaste is this. You can barely taste the mint. It really doesn't have, I don't think, any taste at all in my mouth. My mouth doesn't feel all minty fresh. Basically it feels baking soda fresh. You can brush your teeth with just pure baking soda. Let's see, the other feedback on this would be, yes, it weighs 2.6 ounces. If you were to take this at the start of say the Appalachian Trail, this little bottle right here might last you the entire trail, versus having to carry 1 ounce of the other toothpaste and then having to buy more of the other toothpaste like Crest or Sensodyne or whatever you use in the travel size. It is 1.6 ounces more. However, after you use this for a while, the weight will go down, and there are directions on the back. But I think I'm going to carry this when I go out backpacking versus the other toothpaste. When you brush with it, you kind of, at first, for just a second, you might feel a little bit of grit from the powder, but it quickly goes away. And then you just brush like normal. There isn't a whole lot of sudsing that goes up. It's actually quite pleasant to use. The dazzling white part, my teeth are not dazzling white, I'll tell you right now. So it is fluoride free. and it's low abrasion. And my teeth do feel very clean when I use it. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. If you like the channel, you can hit the like button. If you have not subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and then click on the little bell and click on all videos, and you'll be notified whenever I release new videos. Thanks for watching.